You searched how to buy shares of Argan SA. Argan is a French industrial engineering and construction group focused on energy and industrial facilities, listed on Euronext under the ticker ARG.PA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy ARG.PA, you need a broker. Here I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ARG.PA to find Argan SA. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to locate the correct share. On the asset page, check the company description and the live price chart to confirm you have Argan SA. Verify the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker ARG.PA before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order will be placed as a pending order or executed when trading resumes. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Once completed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it alongside other holdings. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform.